In this lesson we're going to look at perpendicular vectors. Now if vector A and B are perpendicular, then there's a result we need to take note of, and that's that if you multiply the vectors A dot B, then you always get 0. Now the reason for this is because if you look at the formula sheet, you'll get A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of the angle in between, and the angle in between vectors is always 90 degrees. And since we're also taking the cos of this value, cos of 90, that's always going to come out as 0. So regardless of the magnitude or the size of the vectors, because they're perpendicular, the result when you multiply them is always going to come out to be 0. This means that this format always comes out to 0 as well. A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, that comes out to be 0. Right, let's look at an example. So two vectors are defined by A equals 4i plus 2j minus 5k and B equals 2i plus j, basically plus 2k. Show that A and B are perpendicular. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to multiply the vectors. So just look at your formula sheet for this formula here. And we can multiply 4 by 2 plus 1 times 2, or 2 times 1, plus negative 5 times 2. So that's going to be 8 plus 2, and that's going to be minus 10. We can see that that comes out to be 0. So a wee statement at the bottom: since A dot B is equal to 0, A and B are perpendicular.